I'm Seva and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about why you may not be losing your unwanted fat. But before we get into the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. Alright, let's get into it. Before I get into this video, if you haven't seen it already, make sure to go check out my What is a Calorie video. I will make sure to link it in the description box or somewhere on the screen if you haven't seen it. In this video, I dive into why a calorie isn't a calorie, and I think the information that I give you in that video will better help you understand the information that I'm giving you here today. So I found a little graphic on Instagram from the fitness chef, and I thought it would be really helpful to show you guys. So if you can see here, he kind of goes through all different foods that people deem to be healthy and how if you're just consuming too much of them, the calories, it's like you might as well, not really be eating something bad, but your caloric intake is too high, and without a deficit, you're not going to be losing weight. I will make sure to link the graphic that kind of gave me the inspiration to make this video down in the description box or somewhere on the screen. When it comes to functional health, micronutrient foods are super important. So of course you're going to want to consume a ton of them in order to facilitate optimal function. But this doesn't mean that limiting your consumption of foods without micronutrients is wrong. You might find yourself asking the question, well, I'm eating all the right foods, so why am I not losing any weight? Let me just tell you right now, you're not the only one asking that question. My simple answer is yes. You might be choosing the right foods in order to manage certain aspects of your health, but when it comes to weight management, there is no right or wrong. As I've said in the past, there is no one-size-fits-all when it comes to nutrition. What you really need is a balance of all energy. Again, I'm going to link my What is a Calorie video here. I talk about the thermic effect of food, I talk about the glycemic index, I talk about the satiety index, which is definitely going to help you better understand the topics that I'm going to go over here today. Whole foods, fiber, balanced micros and macros aid in satiety, but the energy consumed and the efficiency of the metabolic pathway that the caloric energy goes through make all the difference. So what does this all mean? So what this means is energy balance defines our weight. Not micronutrients, but it's important to understand both. This means energy balance is what defines our weight, not macronutrients, but it's important to know how to manage both. What this really comes down to is the types of food that we choose and the portion size or quantity of those foods. It doesn't matter if you're drinking the healthiest green smoothie. Portion control is still required. Just because a green smoothie, for example, is looked at as healthy, it doesn't mean you should be having 4 a day. Fat loss doesn't just happen. It's the result of many different aspects of your diet and your lifestyle, etc. But what it really comes down to is energy in, energy out. The energy that we consume related to the energy that we use is really key here. Remember, it's not about right or wrong. It's about consuming a healthy, well-balanced diet. Okay, so if we look back at the graphic that I had found on the fitness chef's Instagram, it really shows you. It shows you the right things, quote, right things that you should be eating each day, and then it shows the calorie value of those same things. So for instance, okay, peanut butter and banana toast, that's healthy, but there's 40 grams of peanut butter on that and 40 grams of toast and 1 banana. So that's going to be 520 calories. I'm sure you didn't think that that's how many calories that was in there. Avocado toast, that's really healthy. So 1 medium avocado on 2 40-gram slices of bread, that's 530 calories. A large smoothie bowl, so like a Fruita bowl, that's 625 calories roughly. Those smoothie drinks that I was talking about before, green smoothie, that is 720 milliliters, let's say. And let's say you pair that with some sweet potato fries and a food bar. That's almost 1,300 calories. It's 1,245 calories, and you wouldn't think that. Now, yes, they are healthier calories, like I said for the 100th time. Make sure to go check out my What is a Calorie video, and I'm really going to dive into what I'm talking about here today more clearly. And a chicken and avocado nut salad, that's 670 calories. So, peanut butter banana toast, some avocado toast, a little fruit bowl, some green smoothies, a healthy food bar, sweet potato fries instead of normal potatoes, cooked in coconut oil instead and a healthy salad. That's 3,590 calories. What? So basically what I'm trying to say here is, yeah, you might be eating all of the right foods, but you're not in a caloric deficit, so you're not going to lose weight. So the main takeaway here is that yes, you might be eating the healthiest foods that there are out there, breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, everything's super healthy, but you're not watching for your portion sizes. So you might be having everything that's healthy, but you're not in a caloric deficit. And as I've said in the past, you need a caloric deficit in order to lose weight. That's just how it is. Now what I have here is a little blurb that I quoted from the fitness chef. He says, consuming nutrients supports overall health and function, but a calorie deficit is still required to lose fat. Even if a food is nutrient dense, the calories still count and portion size should still be appreciated. If that doesn't sum up everything, then I don't know what does. Well, that's all I have for this video, you guys. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something new. Make sure to give me your feedback in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. If you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes, make sure to head over to the description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.